Hi, guys. Mr. Datavio here. Let's talk Blogging 101. So, the what? Blogging 101. The how, our agenda, journalism, why we have the news, inverted pyramid style, social media blogs, and then kind of getting into practice. And why? Because this is the way we're going to take a test. If you think about digital literacy and keyboarding, what better way to take a test than to practice typing, to practice digital responsibility, which includes plagiarism and citing sources, as well as our ability to navigate the internet and copy and paste links and pictures and things like that. So that is going to be how we do it. Also gives you a chance to do any topic that you feel like, as opposed to taking a boring multiple choice true false type test. So hope you enjoy. The lead, LEDE, the opening line of a story contains the most important info. A journalist, your next answer, a person who writes for newspapers, magazines, or websites. So our guy Carlos Uz is a journalist, just like somebody that just writes for the newspaper is. Our next answer, news is supposed to be collected fairly and accurately. How is the news reported? The most important part of the story comes first, which is the lead. As you can see here, it's called the inverted pyramid style. That's what journalists use, not in chronological order. It's the most important information first. You can see how, like an example of how that would work here and here, which becomes that. A blog, next answer, is a regularly updated website or web page, and never share private or personal information. That's the next answer, too. You can watch a little video on Carlos Uz, how he got started. And for our newspaper class, this is where you will be blogging in WordPress. So you're signing into Wake ID. You're going to click on the Outlook button. You're going to search for an email. Cat Scratch Chronicle is going to be our search, and you'll join the blog. Finding an online article that you're interested in is going to be the lesson for today. It's going to be in Google Classroom. You start a new Google Doc under Blogging 101 lesson. And for the newspaper class, you write 2-paragraph summary. It must include a link. You must have a video or a picture, and you have to turn that in. For the non-newspaper class, we'll go over some different materials. And again, this is how you do it. Google Classroom, to your work, add or create, scroll down to docs, make sure you press turn it in. All right. I'll see you guys later. Have a great day.